Stop settling for heavy foundations that sit in your fine lines and steal your natural glow. You deserve a beauty routine that works with your skin, not against it, which is why I am sharing my perfected 6-product method to looking naturally gorgeous in just 5 minutes. This isn't about masking who you are. It's about enhancing your best features so you can step out the door feeling refreshed, polished, and full of confidence. Welcome to Senior Fashion Styles, your home for timeless elegance and practical beauty advice for women who know that style only gets better with age. If you are ready to simplify your morning and embrace a look that celebrates your maturity rather than hiding it, you are in the right place. We are going to dive into the exact products and techniques that provide that lit from within radiance without the cakey finish of traditional makeup. Before we jump into our first step, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and join our wonderful community of stylish women. Your support helps me continue creating content tailored specifically for our needs. So let's get started on the only no makeup routine you will ever need. Step 1, applying the base. Our first step focuses on creating a breathable, even canvas using a hydrating tinted moisturizer or a lightweight CC cream. Instead of reaching for a heavy coverage foundation that tends to settle into creases and dull the complexion, we are using a formula that mimics the texture of real skin while providing much-needed moisture. I find that applying this with my fingers is the best approach for women over 50 because the warmth of our hands helps the product melt seamlessly into the skin. This immediately cancels out any redness or unevenness, giving you a healthy, unified base that looks like you just finished a relaxing facial. Once our base is set, we move to a hydrating concealer to gently brighten the center of the face and wake up the eyes. The key here is placement. Rather than drawing large triangles under the eyes, we apply just a tiny amount to the inner corners and the outer edges to create a subtle lifting effect. We follow this with a cream blush, which is a total game changer for mature skin because it adds a dewy, youthful flush that powder simply cannot replicate. By tapping a soft rose or peach shade high on the cheekbones, we instantly restore the natural life to our face that often fades as we age, leaving us looking rested and radiant in less than 60 seconds. Step 2. Brighten and lift with hydrating concealer. For our second product, we are reaching for a hydrating, creamy concealer to bring light back to the face and diminish any tired shadows. As we mature, the skin under our eyes becomes thinner and more delicate, so it is vital to avoid heavy, matte formulas that can look dry or emphasize texture. Instead, choose a light, reflecting formula and focus your application only where you truly need it by placing our eye small dot at the inner corner of the eye to cancel out darkness, and another tiny swipe at the outer corner directed upward toward the temple. We create an immediate eye lift that looks entirely natural and keeps the skin looking fresh and supple. The beauty of this step is that it requires very little product to make a massive impact on your overall appearance. Use your ring finger to gently tap the concealer into place, ensuring it blends perfectly into your tinted moisturizer without leaving any harsh lines. This technique avoids the heavy masked look of traditional makeup while effectively neutralizing discoloration and making you look like you've had a full 8 hours of sleep. It is a quick, simple trick that cleans up the center of the face and provides a bright, wide-awake foundation for the rest of our 5-minute routine. Step 3. Restore youthful color with cream blush. The third product in our routine is a high-quality cream blush, which I believe is the ultimate secret weapon for women over 50. As we age, our skin naturally loses some of its pigment and vibrancy, and a cream formula is the most effective way to add that healthy, lit from within glow back into the complexion. Unlike traditional powder blushes that can sit on top of the skin or accentuate pores and fine lines, a cream or gel-based formula melts into your base, providing a dewy finish that looks like a natural flush of health rather than a layer of makeup. When applying your blush, aim for the sweet spot just above the apples of your cheeks and blend upward and outward toward your hairline. This technique acts as a non-surgical facelift, drawing the eye upward and giving your bone structure a more defined, youthful appearance. Choose a soft peach, warm rose, or a muted berry shade to complement your skin tone, and don't be afraid to use whatever is left on your finger to give the tip of your nose a tiny dab. This creates a cohesive, sun-kissed look that radiates vitality and keeps your skin looking hydrated and fresh all day long. Step 4. Define and frame with a tinted brow gel. Product number 4 is all about structure, and we are achieving that with a simple tinted brow gel. Our eyebrows act as the natural frame for our eyes, but as we get older, they often become a bit thinner or lighter than they used to be. A tinted gel is the perfect solution because it performs two jobs at once. It adds a subtle tint of color to cover any grays and provides a soft hold to keep hairs in place. This step is crucial because well-defined brows instantly make the face look more symmetrical and give the eyes a more open and lifted appearance without the need for heavy pencils or harsh lines. When applying the gel, use short, upward strokes starting from the inner corner and working your way toward the tail. This upward motion mimics the look of natural hair and helps to counteract the downward pull that happens naturally over time. If you have areas that are particularly sparse, the gel will cling to the fine peach fuzz hairs you already have, making your brows look naturally fuller and thicker. It takes less than 30 seconds, but the result is a polished, sophisticated look that pulls your entire face together while remaining completely undetectable. Step 5. Open the eyes with soft brown mascara. Product number 5 is mascara, but for this natural look, we are making a strategic choice with our color. While we may have reached for jet black in the past, a soft brown or black brown shade is often much more flattering and sophisticated for women over 50. Harsh blacks can sometimes look a bit too heavy against maturing skin, whereas a rich brown adds the necessary definition and length to your lashes without looking like makeup. This step is all about making your eyes pop and looking wide awake, providing a clean, elegant finish that highlights the windows to your soul. To apply, wiggle the wand right at the base of your lashes to create the illusion of a thicker lash line, then sweep upward to the tips. We are focusing primarily on the top lashes to keep the eye look lifted and upward, which helps to minimize the appearance of any fine lines or shadows under the eye area. Just 1 or 2 coats will give you that beautiful, feathery lash look that frames the eyes perfectly. It's a simple touch that adds a spark of brightness to your face, ensuring you look polished and put together in a matter of seconds. Step 6. Finish with a hydrating tinted lip balm. For our final product, we are skipping the heavy, drying lipsticks and reaching for a hydrating tinted lip balm or a nourishing lip oil. As we age, our lips naturally lose a bit of volume and definition, and matte formulas can often settle into vertical lines, making the lips appear smaller. A tinted balm is the perfect solution because it provides a soft wash of color that mimics a natural, youthful flush, while the emollient ingredients fill in those fine lines and provide a healthy, plump sheen. It's the ultimate finishing touch that ties the whole look together, making your entire face appear hydrated and harmonious. Choose a shade that is just 1 or 2 notches deeper than your natural lip color. Think soft mauves, warm berries, or sheer corals. The beauty of a balm is that you don't even need a mirror to apply it. You can just swipe it on and go. This adds a hint of polish and a subtle glow that reflects light beautifully. ensuring your smile looks bright and your lips feel comfortable all day long. With this sixth and final step, you have completed a full transformation that celebrates your features, proving that looking gorgeous doesn't require hours in front of the mirror. Just 5 minutes and the right approach for your beautiful, mature skin. There you have it, a complete sophisticated look using just 6 products in under 5 minutes. This routine is designed to celebrate the skin you're in, focusing on hydration, light, and soft definition rather than heavy coverage. It's the perfect way to feel put together for a morning coffee date, a day of errands, or even a casual lunch with friends. By choosing textures that melt into the skin and colors that mimic a natural glow, you've created a version of yourself that looks rested, radiant, and timelessly elegant. It is proof that as we move through our 50s and beyond, beauty isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with products that love our skin back. Thank you so much for spending these few minutes with me today here at Senior Fashion Styles. I hope this routine gives you the confidence to simplify your beauty bag and embrace your natural radiance every single morning. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who might love these tips too. I would love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these 6 steps is your favorite? Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our weekly style and beauty inspiration. Until next time, stay stylish, stay confident, and remember that your beauty only grows more beautiful with every passing year.